ghost pepper, which sounds incredibly dramatic, but it's not really that dramatic. Like, it's spicy. The first time we had it, I put like a tablespoon in. Talk you through how I make my corn chili. I put some corn in there. It's on 6. It's on the highest setting because why wouldn't I put it on the highest setting? I want my dinner cooked. Right, that's browning up. Old El Paso. Yeah, so we normally go for the smoky barbecue. So I'm going to put some of that on in a minute before I put the canned tomatoes in. I'm going to add more pepper, but I'm going to get a drink first. This way often, then I go, we'll have a look. And then I go, that's it. Like, we tried like a little bit, put it on our tongue, just of the raw powder, and it felt like the best way to describe it is what I imagine if someone got a cigarette and burned the top of your mouth. It's just like a small circle where there's powder been just like, it's horrible. And at that point we were like, I'm not sure dinner's going to be any good, but it was fine. It was very spicy that night, but it was fine. It actually wasn't as bad as the streaking in the mouth. Boats. I was going to say, am I the only one who calls these boats? But this is boats on them, so obviously not. Voila!